we need a return label, and our printer decides to lose a fucking little gear down there, and now it won't print. Hooray. Yay me. So follow up, I managed to extract that from in there, which by the way, look at how fucking disgusting an inkjet printer is on the inside. What the fuck is that thing doing, spewing all that fucking ink in there? Well, anyway, it took me like 5 minutes to get this thing on there with some chopsticks and a plier. And midway through, I realized this goddamn thing is broken. It has a tiny tear right here, which is probably why it flew off in the first place. So I'm not even sure how permanent this fix will be. Let's turn it on and see what happens. Some ink for lubrication, I guess. Let's see what if it still complains about being jammed or not. Nope. But it just... at least it seems to still be doing something. That don't sound good. That is about to fail. Why do they have to use plastic gears, bro? That ain't printing today. I don't know. Take it off, try to super glue it. A replacement gear would be nice. I'd have to 3D print one. I have no idea how to do that. Design one of those. Whelming. So it turns out that part breaks so often on so many HP printers, it's almost like they planned it, that there are various print files for this little stupid sprocket that keeps breaking. So I asked Mr. 3D Printer to print them out. Printed it in 100 and 105% scale. Let's see which one fits. This time I'm not trying the pliers trick again. I'm just gonna go with some gloves. Hope that works better. So I managed to replace it. It's a tiny bit warped because it was hard to get on there, and I held it over a candle for a little bit to make it a little more compliant. But it does the job again, I guess. Printhead moves again. Yet to do a test print. Bonus, it glows in the dark now. So cool. One test print later, and I managed to fix the printer. See? Voila. All done. Prints better than ever. Yeah, that shit didn't work out. It held for like a week. It printed some pages, then it got smeary, then it started leaving out every second line, did like a gajillion printhead cleans. It was fine-ish, and then it just totally gave up. So new printer it is. I searched far and wide for like which printer to go with. Do I really want to stick with HP? And it just turned out it's all shit, and I don't really care, and just go with this again. At least this will scan. There's just like a gajillion printers that have scanner combos, whatever. They won't even scan if you don't have ink. So I guess this is the least of the... yeah. It ain't quaint.